Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm just going to be doing a full face using some of my favorite products that I've been using as of late. As in fact, I've just had them on the table and every day I've just been reaching out doing the same old makeup look for the past 2 weeks now. So I just thought I'd jump in, do a video about it. I am doing my very best to try and use up the makeup that I've already got, whether that's drugstore, mid-range, high-end makeup. I just want to use up the makeup that I've got. Now, I encourage you all to just pull out makeup that has been sitting in the drawer collecting dust. But yeah, let's just dive right in. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing today is obviously prepping my face, and I used to love this product so much and I've never ever talked about it because you know why? Up until 2 weeks ago, I actually forgot that I had it. Now, I used to buy this product full size a lot, but I stopped buying it. It's such an expensive product and I just thought, you know what, I'm not going to do it anymore. so now I have a sample drawer of a lot of makeup products and skincare, and I just happened to find the Bobbi Brown face base. Put a nice generous amount over the skin. Now this is so buttery, it's so soft, it's perfect for, I would say, drier skin types. Now in winter I do tend to have a more of a drier skin, normal skin really, because my skin's actually really oily combination. But even if you have oily combination skin, there's something about this product that just makes it look even more beautiful and luminous. So working that into the skin. Now I'm not using any sunscreen because foundation I'm going to be using has got sunscreen in it today, and I really am not going to be outside much at all. We are going to lunch. That's about it. So we're going to be sitting indoors. It's a very windy day in Sydney today. It's winter and there's just no sitting outside, so that's good. I just love the smell of this scent. Just so invigorating, honestly. Uplifting. If you are feeling like you need a little bit of a lift, this will remind you of like lemon cream pie or lemon tart. Beautiful. I'm using the Revlon Serum Tint, which I have been absolutely loving. It's so soothing and it's smoothing. I don't know, and the shade that I've got here is 317, and yeah, we're just going to give that a bit of a shake and apply that. Now I am going to be with my fingers, so just about that much, working that through on my fingers and working that right into the skin. This just really lets the product sink. If you can't be fussed with using a sponge or a brush, definitely fingertips are the way to go. Now this does offer a very sheer to light coverage, and you can see my brown spots still showing through my skin. Now that doesn't really bother me at all, but if you do want to cover them up, the Revlon 5-in-1 concealer does a really good job of doing it. Doesn't like mask it 100%, but it does a fairly good job in terms of like, you know, fading the brown spots a bit. So I'll be putting a little bit of concealer on, little bit on the brown spots. I do have these little cute dry makeup sponges, and I'm just using that to blend the concealer in under the eyes. Just does a beautiful job of really getting in the corner there. And again, using that same makeup brush, just work that in over the eyelids. And this is just my one and done brow favorite product, the Kush Fiber Brow Gel by Milk Makeup. There's something so really liberating about not buying makeup constantly, because when you think about it, makeup is just pretty much the same to me in different packaging. Now it is time to do some eyeshadow. I am using and have been loving the Mediterranean Chanel eyeshadow palette. This is the makeup quad that I'm talking about here. Really, really pretty. And I'm dipping into here. It's just a taupey shade. And Whoop, there, see, there go the brushes. Just putting that from the inner corner of the eye up to the crease. And you could just leave this like that as a one and done shadow. You really don't even have to go in with anything else, but I like doing the sort of halo eye look with just a little bit of a pop of colour in the middle there. And I just simply go in with my finger. This shade, the lighter one here, is called Claire. To show you that. And I just put that in the middle. Just a little bit of brightness. It really is very, very, very subtle, and you can build it up. Doing the other eye. Now I do have a lot of fallout that's fallen on my cheeks, and I will go ahead and dust that away. And I am just using this shade right here. I don't know, this one here, it's like a gold, antique gold colour, and it's called Fonts Dark, I believe. It's just a very dark gold colour. It's sort of got like a bit of green in it, but it's so subtle. I like to up the green in there by putting on a teal liner, which I will do, and I'll show you in a moment. Smoking that out. The teal eyeliner. This one here is a beautiful one by Stella, and it's a Stay All Day dual-ended liquid eyeliner pen in teal. So there's two sides on this. There's a dark teal shade. And there is a, I think that was the light shade. This is a darker one. This is a dark teal, and that's the light teal. Just going in with the dark teal from the inner corner of the eye and lining that on the upper eyelid, very close to the lash line. Just going to go ahead and do the other eye. Using my fingers, I'm just dipping into the Putty bronzer. This is Honey Drip. It's just a really nice bronze shade, and putting that where you would normally apply your bronzing shade. Now I'm going to be using a mascara primer. This is the Ultimate Boost Volume Mascara by Rimmel. And I'll also be using the Revolution Wispy Lash Mascara. So I'm going to be doing a priming the lashes with the primer and then putting on the black mascara, and I'll be back in a moment. Top and bottom lashes now done. Moving on to blush, using the Glossier cream blush in Beam, and it's a beautiful coral orange blush. Just really, really pretty. Just gonna put some of that on the apples of the cheek, and I'm going in with a e.l.f. brush, just working that colour in. This is a gorgeous colour to brighten up a dull face, which is what I have today. Might put a bit more, just a tiny bit more. And I like to take that up high underneath the eyes, not right up to where obviously the eyeshadow is, but close enough. I'm going in with the Kosas Hot Liner in Supreme. It's just a dark brown lip liner. And then filling in the rest of the lips with Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Just going over the edges of the lip liner, just to soften that out and give a bit of a blurred effect to the lips. And that completes today's using some of my favorite makeup products. And simple, and now it is time to get changed and get out the door. I will see you all again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day or night. Bye for now.